phone quit working.
The colonel down there picked the phone up.
I was going to say, this kind of reminds me of some wireless. We used to run at Camp Shelby.
What it is?
They don't
use phones anymore.
Field phones missing.
It ends up on Facebook. Do not tag me to that.
All right, there's one. I got one out. I got one out.
I think I got two here.
I got one coming.
Now you get one of this because it's 2 in 1 strand. 2 strands.
40 the same way?
Yeah, 40's gonna be the same way.
I hope not. Well, let's get somebody to hold the other end of 40. Here's one. Who wants one?
40's coming.
Who's building?
Here I come.
Come here. You already got one.
Is this 40?
No, this is.
We're on 80. Who has not got an 80? Here.
I want an 80. Was that an 80?
That's an 80 you got right there.
That first one we pulled was an 80. That over there is a 40.
Right here.
I got a 40.
Where's the 40? Dale,
Dale's at 40 over there. Go to that end, Dale.
Let me,
Dale.